Benny.
I can push it.
No, it's already going. You gonna lift your head up, Benny? The little tummy time? Oh, yeah. What a strong boy. Oh, yeah. Wow, so strong. You're gonna give me a turn? You gonna turn it the other way? Natalie, maybe you can go on the other side and ask him to turn to face you.
Benny, turn to
No,
me.
like go over here, baby. And just say, Benny.
Benny. Benny. Benny. Benny. Benny. Benny.
It's hard work.
The toys.
Maybe he's gonna get you, Nana. He might. Say his name.
Benny.
He's so strong.
Benny. Benny.
Hey, Nana, why don't you move your hair so I can see your little face?
Okay.
He turned his head. He wanted to see his big sister. Okay, Nana, don't push on his back because he's working really hard to lift his head.
Benny. Benny. Benny.
You gonna make him turn his head again and go back on the other side? Here he goes. So you gonna lift his head again?
Yeah. I see his mouth.
You do?
Yeah.
He's so cute. He sounds like a little piggy.
Piggy, piggy, I'll pour photo. Piggy, piggy. Mama, mama. Mama, mama. Piggy, piggy.
What are Daddy and Bean doing out there?
I don't know.
Are they just snuggling on the front porch?
Let's do this. Rock-a-bye, baby.